My people, on a good afternoon, on a good day, on a good evening, for depend of your time zone. As soon as as soon as you come across this video, help me share now. I just get some things where be say I want see through go give this very beautiful broadcast where our able leader do yesterday. I pick some points there, very very big points. I pick am there. I need to contribute my quota inside the broadcast. It's very, very important for me so that our brother wey lost his life wey the Nigeria government kill, the Yoruba people kill, he will not go in vain. We will not allow that to happen. Many people are going to go down, follow him. So the video, I don't first share am before. I had to play it so that I will analyze it the way it is because our brother when he die, so not be only this thing, not be only people that take bury am. They are going to see use Oba Benin head. If he not there alive again, we for use Oba Benin head for use and take for bury am down first before we can go put our brother on top of Oba Obini. Me I play am first because
And we are going to mourn Ikonso in a very special way. Very, very special. You know, in those days, when, let's say, for instance, the Oba of Benin dies, for instance, I'm giving you an example that is more universal so people can understand what I'm saying. As soon as the Oba is dead, headhunters will go into the forest, and the Oba will be buried with heads of people. Ikonso is more than an Oba, and we are going to mourn him in a very special way. We are going to bury Ikonso in a very, very special way that history will remember 2021. History will remember 2021, the year that the enemies of Biafra came into our land using our own.
So my people, waiting I want you all talk about this broadcast is that I wish the Oba is alive because he's dead. We could have make it possible. We will use him. We will be one of those people we will put down before we bury our brother. He will die down because he have not fight any fight. We die miserable death. Now miserable death. Now he die. Because of the people when he kill, now he hunt her to death. Now make him die. Since then now he die, they not talk and come outside. I wish he dey alive, we for use his head or his dead body because they no go carry his head go live again. We'll use another traditional ruler wey dey the zoo called Nigeria. All of them, even the Yoruba people, we'll bury the Yoruba people, we'll bury them down first. Before we can go put them on top because now the Yoruba people now they kill them. Now so they tell they kill our people. Small, slowly, if they kill and finish, they'll call the talk say that criminal and terrorists, and they not be terrorists. It's the Yoruba people. Now they kill them. Una see say Chinese TV now because say interview our brother, they don't sanction Chinese TV. Say why go interview our brother? Now the Yoruba, those things now just plan because Yoruba people they are foolish people, they be useless people. So my people, more than not listening to this thing. That's the way you see say Yoruba people they do for Lagos. Now wayo Sunday Igbohu, now lie. Nobody come visit her for house. It is a lie. Don't anything Yoruba people is doing. Don't believe. Not be say not they think of 100% or 10% or 1%. Not 2% join her. Everything what they do for there now fash. Their attention now 2023 now their attention your day. Now we're now rubbish the Yoruba people they do. No, they no arrest on the Igbohu. They no shoot gun for your ass. Now lie. Those things now your rubbish. If you hear say they kidnap on the Igbohu, now the Yoruba people go keep her for one place. Nobody kidnap her. They just go hide her for one place. Make they distract people. Not be people like us. We already know say Yoruba people they are foolish people because they are brothers and sisters. They Benin Republic. They no feel save their life. You see, say all those alaye they shout for Lagos. Now Tinubu that they campaign for. They campaign for Tinubu for Lagos there for Lekki Toll Gate there. That place Lekki Phase 1. Now Tinubu, now Yoruba people they campaign for. Now Fulani they know They know they fight there. Nothing they happen for that place. They no kill anybody for there. Go check Anambra State. The way Fulani they kill our people for ground for there. But Chinese TV not see that one go carry. They not go there, make they go carry that one. They not go that place, make they say, make they go interview people where they how they take it there. Our brother will be said the Nigerian military kill the Yoruba terrorists. Now Yoruba killer. More than know they say now though. Now Yoruba people, the person where people when they suspect now Yoruba people, now the killer, not be another people. Now the Yoruba they have planned this thing. Say they kill the hitman, make the killer so that the thing will come. It no go come down. It so we never rest in peace. It so we continue to be hunting the Yoruba because Yoruba people they are less people fighting for freedom. They know they fight for freedom, but we are living there. We are going. Now they know whether they want to stay with Fulani. They won't live with Fulani. Now their land be that one. Take Kitty, Fulani, the way goes that. May they not just think go. Now, at the interview Chinese TV now say SARS and Biafra and all those so-called SARS, all of they don't understand. For the rest of the Igbo, it is a lie. Nobody arrest. They're not even threatening that guy because that's on the Igbo is a criminal. I'm telling you today, on the Igbo is a criminal. Only person where they fight for freedom. Now the Koiki, Koiki 1 million people free. Because Koiki don't understand, say then they do some kind of that ground for a back. You don't know. That Koiki don't know. Say the Yoruba people, they gang up, those politicians, all these people they say that they fight for Yoruba nation, all of them, then they are PDP and APC, mistio, now rubbish. Now nonsense that they do. Tinubu campaign, now that they do for there. They are not fighting for freedom. Now rubbish. Now they Koiki, now they try to wake Yoruba people up, say they are going. Their land is ravaging. So the Igbo is a bloody criminal. It's an APC and PDP jumping one from one pole to another. Come outside, tell them say want to free the Yoruba people for what? It's a lie. Those things are rubbish. Don't let anybody deceive you. How we Oba Bini? I've never died. I go and throw it away. Does be we could have used the dead body to put on the floor. We will come go put our brother on top. We'll smith him, main day inside there. Now Oba Bini heard there's a potential bury this our brother. Now the traditional ruler head, all the whole traditional ruler, all the whole Oba, all of them at their head, there's supposed to bury this our brother. They'll go, they find them one after their ass. They'll go, they kill them. Small, one after the other. Because those people don't deserve to live. They have never fight any war. They never kill anybody. They never kill terrorists once. This, our brother, he killed the whole terrorists. He don't want terrorists in his land. He don't want anybody. Recently, we don't hear Imo State. They are killing people. Fulani is killing again. They are not killing there because he don't want Fulani. But now, the elderly people, they say they don't want that. They need Fulani to come and kill our people. We are telling them now their head, then they'll take bury this our brother now. They must go down. We'll use their head to bury him because Oba Bini is dead. That one he don't die. I wish he dead alive now. For the reason we'll do strategize. We'll go carry head, take go bury him. All those he live where they carry head go. Fulani don't take over that place. They don't see head take carry go that place again. So my people, may I leave now. Our brother is a hero. Now God will bless her and he so we never rest in peace. Until the burial, so we never rest in peace. So we hunt everybody we get her for this our brother. But you don't know, even though say you wrong for you to make sure say this our brother that is so we never rest in peace. Is so we hunt each person that have a hand in his death because we don't want our people to be killed. It's not good. Anybody will come outside for our play, good person that they don't want kill and the Yoruba people that they like one killer. They don't like good thing for us. They'll tag a terrorist, they'll tag a criminal. Carry something put for a body and let's kill it. That's how Yoruba people continue to be doing our people. You never see person for your or Ekiti. They say na criminal be na lie, you know they na our side. So if you not here for Sasa, you hear for Southeast, you hear for even so called the Delta Upper River, that place what they do for there. You hear and say na our people that they are alleged there. The Yoruba people, we don't want them, we don't need them. They should face or your may they face Fulani, may they go take their land. Remove Amy and we did their land. May they know they carry their freedom, content they disturb our people. We don't want this kind of things. They have to stop that thing. Oba Bini hair supposed bury with this our brother. He go day down. He go day on top of his body. Oba Bini is a madman.
And we are going to mourn Ikonso in a very special way. Very, very special. You know, in those days, when, let's say, for instance, the Oba of Benin dies, for instance, I'm giving you an example that is more universal so people can understand what I'm saying. As soon as the Oba is dead, headhunters will go into the forest, and the Oba will be buried with heads of people. Ikosa is more than an Oba, and we are going to mourn him in a very special way.
He passed on, our leader, he
We are
passed
going
on,
to bury
man.
Ikonso in a very, very
He passed
special
on
way
bow, he passed on 100%.
that
1
history
million
will remember
percent. He passed on.
2021.
Yes, he passed on.
History will remember 2021,
Yeah.
the year that the enemies of Biafra came into our land using our own.
So my people, be alive for now. The Ikosu pass Oba Bini 100%. Oba Bini is a rat. That one I've never fight any war. It's a criminal.